In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a job advertisement with Paperform. Whether you're looking to fill a new position within your company or attract talent for a special project, crafting a compelling job advertisement has never been easier thanks to Paperform. We'll go through every step you need to create a professional and attractive job ad that seamlessly aligns with your brand, making it easy for potential candidates to apply. First, let's address signing up or logging into Paperform. If you're new to Paperform, don't worry. They usually offer a free trial, giving you a chance to explore their features without any initial commitment. Just head to their website and sign up. If you already have an account, log in to get started. Once you're in, you have the option to start with a template or begin from scratch. If you're leaning towards using a template, Paperform provides a variety of options tailored for job applications, such as the Job Application Form template, the Basic Job Application template, and the Freelance Job Application Form template. These templates offer a fantastic starting point, especially if you want to streamline the process. However, if you're someone who likes full creative control, starting from scratch is the way to go. You'll be able to customize every aspect to your heart's content. Next, let's talk about design and layout. This is your chance to really make your job advertisement stand out. Begin by incorporating your company logo and brand colors through the theme and appearance settings. This not only enhances the visual appeal, but also maintains consistency with your brand identity, giving your form a professional look. When structuring your form, clarity is key. Consider organizing it into clear sections like job details, candidate info, and supporting documents. This organization helps guide applicants smoothly through the process, ensuring they provide all necessary information. Now that you've designed your advertisement, it's time to publish and share it with the world. Paperform offers several convenient options. You can choose to embed the form directly onto your website. This integration is ideal if you want the application process to stay within your brand's digital environment. Alternatively, Paperform also allows you to share your form via a direct link. This option is particularly useful if you want to distribute your job advertisement across various platforms, like email newsletters or social media. If your focus is solely on the job ad and application, you might find Paperform's landing page view beneficial. This feature allows you to present both elements neatly on a single page, simplifying the application process for potential candidates. By following these steps, you'll create a polished and effective job advertisement with Paperform. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide empowers you to craft an outstanding job advertisement that attracts just the right talent for your needs.